Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your love reading. This is for the month of September. I will be doing a tarot clock reading that will show your past, present, and future energies, and advice cards with some blockage cards. Okay, all right. Hi Sagittarius, so this is your tarot clock reading for the month of September. What you are seeing here is a clock with your past energies, your blockage, your present energy with the blockage, your future energy with the blockage, and this is your advice card, and this is your helper card, and this is your overall focus card for the month of September. Okay, so in the past I see here that there was some kind of betrayal by your person. I do see they were not very honest. There was some kind of, they were hiding some truth, and they just wanted, for some reason, without explaining anything, they wanted to escape, or they already escaped. And so things were going smooth, things were going really good, but all of a sudden your person decided to move forward with you, or they just escaped, and that has led you to separate yourself and go into isolation, thinking about trying to calm down and think about, because they didn't explain why they are leaving, so you are trying to understand the situation, what went wrong, and you were feeling little losing hope that this because of whatever happened, you have lost hope for your person to return, or even you're not feeling very hopeful because of the fallout you had with your person in the past. The blockage is also the Chariot in reverse. So yeah, like I said, that things were going good, you were thinking that everything is going good, and things are really what you expected, they were very positive, but all of a sudden your person left you. So that was the blockage. Yeah, now the present energy, your present energy, I see that because you are very upset and anxious, and you are emotionally a little bit disturbed, I should say, and you don't want to risk further, like you don't want to face this kind of situation again. So you are trying to make yourself grounded, come out of that isolation and think practical, and overcome that mental anxiety that you were having. Also, maybe there is a possibility that there might be some kind of lies that you didn't know came to the light. Okay, and the blockage is judgment. So yes, so whatever you are feeling, emotionally, you are feeling upside down and you don't want to take risk, that is because of the sudden decision that your person left, basically. So that is the blockage, that you don't want to risk with anyone. And if anyone if your person comes back, for some of you, if your person comes back, you are not going to accept them back because you don't want to risk your life again. You have been emotionally so disturbed because of the suddenly they escaped and suddenly they left without explaining. So you don't want to risk again, and you want to, whatever decision you take, you want to think it thoroughly before taking any action. You will not be like impatient to, you will be patient to take any decision. And this also shows that now you are thinking to maybe focus in your money, in your career, yeah, maybe you have some new ideas, or you're thinking to start a new business. to overcome all this emotional disturbance in your life that you had. Okay, so the future energy, in your future energy, I see that you will be able to bring that stability, and you will be focused in your pentacles. I do see, okay, Ace of Pentacles. There is a possibility that you might get an offer from someone who has a lot of money. Okay, and there might be a possible, for a few of you, not everyone, but for a few of you there might be a possible, and that will make you happy. You don't want to be very serious, but yes, you do want, I do see that you achieve balancing your getting your stability back, and you have decided that you will not repeat, you are not going to accept if your person comes back, you are not going to accept, and you will want to have a good time by yourself. You want to be happy, and your wish for, in terms of money, I see here, will be, you will achieve success in terms of money and job. For some of your wish will be fulfilled, and at this time in future you want to be by yourself. The blockage is King of Wands. So yeah, you had given, you are very energetic, and you were very much passionate about your person, but because of the fallout now, you think that you can achieve that happiness and you can achieve that stability by starting all over again, and you want to bring that confidence back, that here you may be feeling a little bit discouraged. You were having in your present energy, you were going through, emotionally you were going through, your emotional life was upside down. So you are very strongly willed to make things stable in your life. You want to be happy now. Okay, you don't want this kind of Seven of Swords situation again. You want to be happy, and you are very much determined to start. I think you want to start something new. You have some idea, and your future, you are really determined to start something new, start all over again, gain that confidence back, uplift your energy. That will be your future, and I do see you being happy, and you being I do see good money also. Okay, and but you will be, basically you will try to forget your past by focusing on material things in life, like money or wealth, whatever material things in life. You want to be happy, you want to enjoy the material things in life. Okay, now your advice card shows Four of Wands, Devil in reverse, Knight of Cups, and Justice in reverse. So the advice here is, yes, you need to bring that stability in your home, and in your emotional, in your mental state. Yes, definitely you want to do that, but be mindful that don't get overly attached to the material things. Like from this part, okay, I see that you are trying to come out of your emotional anxiety and forget the past and enjoy your material things, and maybe you may be getting attracted to someone who has a lot of wealth also. You think they are very they will be very good for you, but be mindful that don't be overly attached with the material things, and have control on your happiness. So if you have a drinking problem, or you are enjoying too much, or going out too much, I don't see you going out with your friends or family too much. You will be pretty much by yourself, but be mindful that that's not in excessive. Okay, so control that if you are and don't get too much attached to the wealth of the person. If there is a person that you find attractive, don't be just attracted towards them because they have good money. Yes, you do need money in your life because you think that, you know, if you have money you will be happy and that will help you to overcome any difficult situation in life. You do need to do that, but you need to have control. Okay, you don't do anything wrong in order to get that happiness. Okay, so whatever you do, it should be balanced. Yes, there is a balance needed, but don't do, for some of you, don't get engaged in any illegal activity, or you know. Yes, so wait for that cup. If you want to start something new, if you find a person, just think about it properly, if they are the right person or not, because you don't want to be in the same situation again. But at the same time, just don't be with anyone just because they have good money. Also see their background, you know, if there is any issue with their background, if they're married or they're undergoing divorce, and then that will create another problem. Okay, so yeah, the helper card is also Four of Cups. So yes, you need to reject anyone who is dishonest. Okay, who is, you have to be very careful and reject anyone who seems to be like your past person. Reject this devil. That is going, you be very firm. Okay, don't forget your past. So that will help you to properly decide to whom you should offer this cup, or who is the right person for you. Your past is going to remember that. Your focus will be also Queen of Swords in reverse. So yeah, you want to just forget, your focus will be to just completely forget and remove any dishonest person in your life. Close the door for any person who's not loyal to you. Avoid anyone who has the tendency to escape, basically. Okay, and yeah, rejecting any people who are not honest with you, who seem to be not honest with you. That is what will be your focus. And yeah, so there might be a possibility in, because you want to be happy, your focus will be happiness. So maybe sometimes you will not think what is the right thing to do, you will not think logically. Okay, but maybe you will be attached to the material things of the world. So there might be a time where you might not think logically and you just want to be happy. So just avoid that. Okay, so this was your reading, Sagittarius, for the month of September. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video.